boot up life with a kickstart so clean. Commodore Amiga, the OG dream machine. Pixels popping colors like a neon stream. Floppy drive humming in a retro scene. 16-bit vibes with that Motorola soul. Workbench stacking creative for the whole. Bit of chip flexographics in control. Amiga's the queen with the heart of gold. Amiga, oh Amiga's sweetest name to say. A legend in the game, still shining today. From the demos to the tunes and the code we play. Amiga forever in a nerd's DNA. Deluxe paint swirls like a digital brush. Shadow of the beast got me feeling the rush. Song tracker beats make the speakers crush. Amiga's legacy never losing its touch.